Yeah! Chiron Super Sport, and a Devo. But I don't even know, fast lane driven. What I thought I forgot, but yeah, look at that beautiful blue. Wow. Full carbon Senna, which actually, every one of these is full carbon. It's just either painted over or not. A British edition Senna. Oh, look, it's red carbon. Holy cow. Look at that thing. F12 TDF with green carbon, another Senna. I don't even know what those two McLarens are, but they look crazy and they got no windscreen. LFA, Lamborghini. And then you got the Pagani opened up right here. Ooh, full carbon Ford GT. I don't think, I don't think I've ever seen a full exposed carbon one. Ooh, excuse me. Insane. Absolutely insane. Look at this lineup. Oh, it's a Devo. Chiron Super Sport, and a Devo. That's what you had to get when you were coming up with me. They would have gave one if you would have came up. Why?
Okay. You can't get one up here?
They're handing them down. You can maybe go down and be like, hey, I forgot to grab one, and bullshit the guy. Like I said, it's one row below.
Did you have to show confirmation?
No, just yeah. All right. I said, just bullshit him. Act like you know what you're doing, and then you'll get away with it.
Go.
That's going in the video. That's gonna be the clickbait right at the beginning. Pop a titty, and then they'll go to the meat. Terrible, these people. Full exposed black carbon. That thing looks menacing. But I don't even know what that Ferrari is. It's I don't even know. I think that's supposed to be the new version of the Loft. McLaren. This F1 car. Which that's probably from inside. They probably roll it out. Look at this damn Devo. Wow. Yeah, this is one car I've never seen in person is a Devo. We've seen a lot of vehicles in person, but I've never seen a Devo. But I don't even know, fast lane driven. I think it's crazy. We're gonna go to this Devo. Oh, I didn't even come over here. I totally forgot about the two craziest ones. We got the Valkyrie. If you guys didn't check out the video, we raced a Valkyrie Spider in Mexico, of course, but I'll make sure to link that right now when we raced a Valkyrie Spider. I'll pop it up right now. It was insane when we were racing that. I can't think of his name. He's from Utah, has an insane collection. We also got this insane Bugatti Pure Sport. But look at that thing. Like I said, we got to race one of these in Spider, which was insane, so make sure to go check out that video. All right, now we'll go back to the Devo like we were talking about initially. Blue, I would actually call that teal carbon. Even it has like nice chrome wheels. I did not see this earlier. I wonder if this is the same P1 from yesterday. No, actually that P1 I think was going on Gold Rush. So no, this is a second P1 in LA, Orange County area. And this is a multi-million, what is it? It's something with an S. Can't think of what that one's called.
No, let's go.
This is actually not my complete dream daily, but one of them. Like Bentley V12 twin turbo, like super comfortable, super big, super luxurious. This would be a perfect coupe daily, I think. All right, we are back, about to get ready to head out of here. Ready? Does he want to rev it? Just twist it back. Yeah, no problem. That was effing adorable. They got the Charger on here. Damn, a lot of cool cars. Sorry guys, I was just rolling out, just staying quiet. But I'm following you guys now because we're going to your hood. I don't know where to go to get over there. Huh? That's fine. Well, no, I've done it. I'm not going to go crazy because I don't have real gear on, but... Alright, we're back. This was an insane event, guys. I am so glad that I came to this. A lot of fun. We got to see a lot of friends. The struggle is real. Oh, look at her. She was barely able to tiptoe on both sides. But an awesome event. So glad I made the trip out to LA for it. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to break it up into two parts. So if it is 2 parts, it will come out back to back. So now if you're seeing the outro, this is probably I'll clip this in for the first part. Come back tomorrow to watch part 2 of this video if need be. A lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.